Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm sharing my fourth layout in the Summer Layout series of videos featuring the Cocoa Vanilla Sunkissed collection. This is the first layout in the series and this tutorial is filmed in the first video. It's such a lovely, bright and colourful layout, perfect for your summer photos. This is the second layout in the series. Again, a lovely, bright, colourful summer layout, perfect for a 6x4 landscape photo. This was layout number 3 in the video series, and it's just a lovely tropical sort of layout. This is today's layout. It's a quick and easy, simple layout, and then we've got one more layout to go in this series, which will be this layout here. So these are all available in a kit. You can purchase the kit over at my website, which is www.papercraftsecrets.com.au. You can have this kit shipped to your address, and then you can create this kit at home. The products inside the kit include these beautiful gold title stickers. They're absolutely gorgeous and so much fun to use. This lovely ephemera pack full of all sorts of bright and colourful images that are perfect for adding to layouts. This lovely sticker page which has lots of little quotes and things that you can add to embellish your layouts. And these gorgeous little plastic flowers are also in the kit. Papers are so colourful and so pretty, such bright summery colours, gorgeous little rainbows and flowers and clouds, sunset colours and stars. Cocoa Vanilla's Sunkissed range. It's so bright and colourful, it's perfect for your summer scrapping. And there's our rainbow page, and also you get 4 sheets of the white 12x12 cardstock as well. Let's get started on our layout today using these beautiful papers and these beautiful embellishments. Today we're going to create a quick and easy rainbow layout that you're going to love for your scrapbook. So to begin with, we are starting with this paper here. And we're going to trim off the barcode for the paper. We are going to cut a center square from the middle of this page like we did in one of the other layouts. And this is going to allow us to reuse that center of the page. We're going to have a 1.5 border around the edge of our page so that we can create that square. So we're going to measure down 1.5 inches, and we're going to cut all the way down to 1.5 inches from the bottom of our page. We turn our page around, we measure from 1.5 inches down, and we stop at 1.5 inches from the bottom of the page. We repeat that again, starting on our cut line, going down and stopping at 1.5 inches from the bottom, and for our final cut. And so this allows us to take out this middle square, which is 10.5 inches by 10.5 inches. And if you just need to add a little trim there to get that out, that's totally fine. There's our middle bit, and there's our border. Now this is the bright side paper. This is the beautiful rainbow paper. We're going to trim off our barcode strip of this page. Now you can see how the rainbow is on one side of the page. We're going to trim this to 11.5 by 11.5, and I'm going to trim it on the sides where the rainbow isn't already half cut off. I'm going to take off 1/4 inch from the top of this layout here. There's my 1/4 inch, and then I'm going to take off 1/4 inch at the bottom so that my 1/2 inch is distributed over the top and the bottom. That just makes sure that the rainbow doesn't get cut off. And look at those beautiful colours on that rainbow. This rainbow is going to go on top of our square. So we're going to add a line of glue around the edge of our page, and then our rainbow goes directly on top. And we smooth it out so that we have a nice even edge all the way around our page. So we've got that aqua colour border all the way around the edge of our paper. For this layout, you're going to need 2 4x6 portrait style photographs. I'm using white cardstock in the place of my photographs. We're going to use that little square from the center of our layout to make our photo mats. They're going to measure 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 inches. So there's our 4 1/4 cut, and there's our 6 1/4 cut, and that fits perfectly with our 4x6 photo. There's our 4 1/4 cut and our 6 1/4 cut, and that again will go perfectly with our photo. So we're going to have 2 photos going like this across our layout, and that will match in with our border of the layout. So we've got the border of the layout and the border of the photos out of the same paper, so that gives us a nice coordinated image. So what I'm doing here is I'm just gluing some recycled cardboard onto the back of my photo, and then I will glue my photo onto the mat for each photo. One on that one and one on that one. And that's going to be perfect for our layout. Now, I was looking at using those horizontal strips behind the photos. I ended up taking those out because I feel like they covered up the layout a little bit too much. I wanted to see that beautiful rainbow. I've chosen a Fun in the Sun title from the ephemera pack, and I've also chosen 2 fussy cut floral clusters. And now I'm adding a little tropical umbrella, and I'm looking for something to add down the bottom here. And I'm thinking this gorgeous little tropical drink. This really is very much a summer holiday photo layout where we sit by the pool with our umbrellas and we sip our drinks. And so this is trying to capture that, the fun of that holiday experience. We're utilizing this little So Happy tag that we're thinking about sticking on there. And we've also got this little captured tag as well that we might be using in this layout. I'm looking for a couple of little flowers that perhaps I could sprinkle around my layout for extra decoration. These are just little flowers that we've already fussy cut from that major page of floral clusters that we did right at the beginning of all of those layouts. So feel free to add your flowers wherever you would like. There's no right or wrong way of where to add flowers to these sort of tropical layouts. The more flowers, the better, I think. Let's get started with gluing this layout down now because we've got everything in position. We're happy with our photos. We're going to pop one slightly higher on the left-hand side. We're going to add our little captured tag at the back. I'm going to add this photo slightly lower on the right-hand side. We're going to have our Fun in the Sun title in the middle. We'll just add a little bit of cardboard there in the middle so that we're not actually gluing anything onto our photos. So that means I can slide my photos in at the end. And then we've got our fussy cut images down the bottom here, a big floral cluster. We're going to mount that up on some recycled cardboard so that it elevates it slightly. And then we've got our tropical drink. Let's put that on a little bit of cardboard too. And we're going to sit that in just somewhere in there. Could go above the leaves, could go under the leaves, whatever you prefer. Let's get some more recycled cardboard. We're going to put some at the top on this floral cluster here. We'll sit that at the top there, and we'll put our little umbrella. With a little bit of cardboard on it, and it's going to poke out just behind our flowers there. Beautiful. Look how quick and easy this is coming together. There's my little flowers that I ended up choosing to decorate the layout. Making sure everything's nice and straight. Might add a little sticker sheet label down the bottom here. These are great to add just a little bit of detail to layouts. And then we're just going to sprinkle some of those cute little plastic colourful flowers around our layout. You can use these anywhere that you like, anywhere that you want to add a little bit of embellishment. They just add a little bit of sparkle into the layout, and they're fun and cute to use. Such a fun, quick and easy layout to create in the comfort of your own home. Make sure you pop on over to my blog at www.papercraftsecrets.com.au to purchase your kit and create all of these layouts at home. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely crafty day.